I'm Aaron Silver, Programme Manager for Transport for Wales, working on the Core Valley Line transformation. My duties as Programme Manager involves taking a holistic view of the programme to ensure that we can achieve our key milestones. So we're here today at the Safety Step-Up Day. Again, is to raise awareness of safety, first and foremost, which is our #1 priority on the project. We're all equal here, especially when it comes to safety, and we all have a responsibility for one another and also for ourselves. So it's important that we attend these events, again, just to raise awareness of safety and to ensure that we drive that message home to first and foremost myself and also the team.
My name's Alistair MacDonald. I work for Balfour Beatty. I'm one of the partners in the CRIVE Alliance. We're here today as part of the South Wales Metro Safety Step Up. This event gives us an opportunity for all of the teams, that's teams from Balfour Beatty, Siemens, Transport for Wales, AMI Infrastructure Wales and Alan Griffiths, to really remind themselves of the key items, the key things that will impact them when they're delivering on site. As you can see behind me, we have a number of stands, also quite a lot of machinery here, and it just gives people a reminder as they come out of the sort of the imposed COVID break of the safety risks and the problems that they might face when they're delivering the work on site.
I'm Becky Jones and I'm the new Environment Manager in AMI Infrastructure Wales. So we've been here today with our invasive species team and our ecology team, just trying to bring that awareness to the guys so that we're complying with the environment and all the constraints we have against us.
My name's Donna Thomas and I'm the PC Administrator for AMI Wales. The last couple of days have been really positive, they've been really good, there's been lots of interaction. Safety is paramount within the industry, so it's important people come and get their safety and also come and look and see that other guys, for instance the guys that are going up in the machines, what it's like for them to be up there in that machine and how important the safety arrangements around those machines, etc., how important they are.